Chinese calligraphy 0 to hero. The vertical stroke became the backbone. Let's continue wield the power of the brush. What if one stroke could change an empire? In the story time, 21 BCE, China fractured by 7 kingdoms, 7 writing systems. Chaos in every character. Then came one empire, one script. I tell you in the story time. Left arc vertical stroke. A vertical stroke with a subtle curve to the left, resembling a gently bent bamboo stalk. Step-by-step breakdown. Start. Press firmly at the top. Turn the brush downward and slightly leftward to create a rounded tip. Move. Steady pressure as you curve the stroke left, like drawing a soft C shape. Keep thickness consistent, no drastic thinning, unlike the thin waist horizontal. End. Press firmly at the base. Lift vertically to form a rounded, blunt tip, no sharp point. Key tips. Rhythm. Start press. Move steady curve. End press plus lift. Avoid overcurving or slanting. The bend should be subtle and natural. Visual. Imagine a bamboo stalk bending left, firm top base, smooth curve in between. Practice drill. Draw light parallel curves like bracket to train consistent bending and thickness. Yen means lead. Tian means quiet. Bai means that. Pai means wander. Story time, one empire, one script. According to Chinese historical records, in 219 BC during his eastern tour, Prime Minister Li Si of the Qin dynasty inscribed a monument on Mount Yi in Shandong's Zhou County to commemorate the emperor's achievements. This became known as the stone inscription on Mount Yi. The original stone was damaged and lost due to wars and human destruction as early as the Northern and Southern dynasties period. However, later generations preserved its text and calligraphic value through carved replicas. Let's learn about this story through this AI video. 1. Salt with 5 writings. Urgent attack turned to slow defense. 221 BC. Unified China, but divided by characters.
Last year in Chu Conquest, Urgent Attack was written as Slow Defense due to different character writing.
Lord Lee, 30% of chief hacks record characters unrecognizable after 3 days.
I unified the six-state reformed weights measures, but characters remain chaotic. Lacey creates standard characters.
Your servant obeys.
You've lost weight in 2 weeks. Why push so hard?
Look at the character horse. Zhao writes it as galloping horse, Wei as cart pulling old horse. People can't recognize need regular characters. Queuing has Chuan on top, Q below symbolizing eternal reign.
Fewer strokes, but powerful. Will 6 state people recognize?
To make the world recognize, carve on the hardest material.
My lord, horizontal strokes equal, verticals straight, upright as pillars.
Yes, same character spacing, like Qin's postal stations, neat and orderly.
These characters are nice, easier to recognize than Chu's twisted ones.
Lacey, what's most precious about these stone characters?
Rules, strokes neither leaning nor biased, like your majesty's laws obeyed by all.
On Mount Tai summit, a dialogue on character being unfolded.
My lord, a Yan scholar copied steel characters yesterday to teach his children at home.
Lord Lee, schools teach Zaya Ajuan everywhere. Chief people see it as sharing props, Chu as instrument ensemble, same writing.
Hard students replicate character bridges maps. From Qin schools to today's museums, Zaya Ajuan strokes hold civilization continuity codes. True rules are not chains but bonds connecting all. This is Li Si and Xiao's Yuan story, the civilization bridge carved in stone. Right arc vertical stroke. A vertical stroke with a subtle curve to the right, like bamboo bending gently toward the right. Step-by-step breakdown. Start. Press firmly at the top, turn the brush downward and slightly rightward. Creates a rounded tip. Move. Steady pressure as you curve the stroke right, soft backward C shape. Keep thickness uniform, no thinning unlike horizontal strokes. End. Press firmly at the base right arrow, lift vertically for a rounded blunt tip, no sharp point. Key tips. Rhythm. Start press. Move smooth right curve. End press plus lift. Avoid overbending. Keep the curve subtle like a bamboo stalk in the wind. Visual. Imagine writing a bracket's shape with consistent thickness. Practice drill. Draw light parallel curves like brackets to train right bending control. Pro tip. Place 2 dots as start-end guides to maintain alignment. Pei means accompany. Tui means push. Chen means explain.
This series starts with the absolute fundamentals, everything you need to begin your Chinese calligraphy journey the right way. Why not hit subscribe so you never miss a lesson?
Show time, modern era. There are still many calligraphy enthusiasts who enjoy practicing the small seal script of Li Si from the Yishan stele.